Hey, are you committed or are you just motivated? I'm gonna give you a couple reasons why you still haven't started your business yet. Because motivation got you going, but you wasn't committed enough to keep going. You wasn't committed. You wasn't all in. That's why you're still working your 9 to 5 and being frustrated because you know you have your purpose is bigger. And so I want to give you a couple reasons why commitment beats motivation and how to overcome it. The way you overcome that part of that motivation and really get committed, you have to find your why. Why are you doing this? Who is for? For me, it's my children. I go hard for my children. And you got to find that why. And another reason I go hard is I want financial freedom. Being a business owner give me freedom to operate how I want to. If my kids are out of school, I don't have to go to work. Or my kids get sick, I can go pick them up whenever I want to. So it gives me that freedom to operate how I want to. But at first, when I launched it, I had to get committed. And the reason why you're stuck is your level of commitment. You haven't made a committed decision and you haven't got clarity on what you should do, clarity on your why. You got to get clarity on your why. Your why will keep you going when you want to stop. That's the commitment. Motivation will stop, but your why will keep you going. So you got to get clarity on your why. Your why is so important. I'm going to give you, write down your why and put it on your refrigerator, put it on your phone. So whenever you get tired, whenever you feel like giving up, look at it. Whatever it is, if it's freedom, if it's money, whatever it is, put it in front of you day by day. When you wake up, look at it, because that's going to give you the motivation. Your why will give you the vision to say, I got to keep going because these people or this thing is dependent on me to reach there. I have a destination I need to reach. Get your why. The second thing is you have to break free from, you have to get to a place where you start doing smaller things. Get your daily activity in place. Commitment starts while you're doing small things at a time. Daily activity. We're thinking too big. The goal is too big for us. The goal is too big. And so you gotta bring it down some. Because you get motivated when you hit that big goal. But your level of commitment stop you from going because you think, I can't accomplish this goal. It's too big for me. It's too big for me. You had to create something, create a 30-day action plan. I'm gonna give you action steps. Create a 30-day action plan on things that you're gonna do daily to reach your goal of committing to, say, one day I'm gonna leave this 9 to 5, or I gotta start my business while I'm still working my 9 to 5. You gotta make that vision small. Make it small and turn it into daily actions. Consistency, day by day by day. You're doing one day this week, one day next week, and you're questioning, why haven't you started your business? It's because you're not being consistent by doing the small things. Commitment grows. Take small steps. Take small steps. I promise you'll get there. The third thing, when you get committed, why commitment trumps motivation is you start removing temptations and distractions. You have to get to a place when you get so committed to your progress, you got to say, you know what? I got to let these things go. I got to get myself in a deserted place to where I can just focus on my business when I get off work. And so I have to get rid of distractions. I got to put these kids, tell them to go to bed or whatever I need to do, because I got to get the freedom. I got to reach my why. I got to reach my why. You got to create an environment that supports your vision, an environment. So whatever's distracting you, Netflix, children, husband, daughter, dog, cat, whatever distracts you, got to create an environment that supports your vision. The environment. So you got to look, and this is big. A lot of our environments are not producing, are not like helping us grow because it's too much distractions. It's too much distractions. It's too much distractions. Get in an environment that will support your vision, support your whys, so you can quit, so you can leave your 9 to 5, or you can build your business while you're still working your 9 to 5. That's what we got to do. Fourth thing, you got to track your progress. You got to track your progress. Nothing motivates commitment more than seeing yourself progress. Nothing commits you don't get more committed. You get more committed when you see progress. But when you don't see progress, so that's why you track your progress, because now you see what you're committed to is moving. Now you get more motivated. So you got to track your process, your progress. And the fifth thing, you got to expect setbacks. But don't quit. Commitment is not perfection. It's persistence. Commitment is not perfection. It's persistence. Don't give up on that dream. If I can tell you anything, there was plenty of times I wanted to give up on my dream of being a full-time entrepreneur. I want to give up on my dream. So I'm telling you, don't give up on your dream. I've been an entrepreneur for going over 10 years, full-time entrepreneur going over 10 years. And I'm telling you, it's a great life. But I started working my 9 to 5 and I built my business on the side. And so I want to tell you, commitment beats motivation all day long. Commitment beats motivation all day long. I would like you to subscribe, like, comment. If this video really helped you in anything that you need, man, I'm just telling you, I want y'all to get so committed to your dream. Committed to your dream of being a full-time entrepreneur or starting your business while you're still working a 5. That's what I focus on, helping people to really commit to their business idea. I help them bring it to pass. I help you manifest it. I'll have some links in the description. If you want to get in touch with me, man, book an appointment, one-on-one call with me, free one-on-one call with me, because I want to help you win. I want to help you win. I know that vision that you have is in there, but you got to make a committed decision and say enough is enough. I'm tired. I'm tired of coming to work, telling the boss, telling me what to do. I want something bigger. I need more income to buy my home. I want more income to create generational wealth. I want more income. I need more income to get that car that I want. I have dreams and goals, but my job just ain't enough. If that's you, man, raise your hand. Get in the description. Book a time. If that's you, if I'm talking directly to you, book a time. You tired. You frustrated. You want more. You want more strategy. You want more clarity of what you need to do. I'm that guy. I want to help you. Like, subscribe, share this video, man. Y'all be blessed, man. And I'll see you next time.